Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on Story. This tutorial is for Android, but the process is similar for any other devices. So, as you can see, I have my Android phone here. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Firstly, you need to open the Instagram application. Then click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Once on your profile page, press the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the Settings and Privacy. Now go to the search bar and type Close Friends. Click on the result and remove all the close friends if you have any. Just keep one close friend checked. You can use one of your own accounts to check. Now upload a story in Instagram, but choose the Close Friends option from the story. Now you can add this story to your highlights without anyone else seeing it. So this is how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on Story. I hope this video was of help. Bye.